Hey you guys, my name's Dee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some lower thirds. So, in iMovie now. These are a little bit more challenging than other things because they have to be resized, but it's not a big deal. So I'm going to put in this title. I'm going to use this, where is it? It's lower, right here. Even though it's to the right, it's fine. So we're going to fix it. We're going to put it to the left. And how about like this? Asian. No outline. And so we'll go back to my media and drop this. Woo, woo. In right here. And so you'll see it's like not correct, right? But that's okay. Green, blue screen it. And then, so what it looks like is we're gonna have to make it, make the shape closer to the edge and down a little bit. So you go into cropping, you go to crop to fill, and then you can start changing it like these. So I'm going to make it, it's the opposite of what you think. It takes like a little bit of getting used to. So that's pretty good. And then make this a little smaller just to help ourselves a little bit. Okay, so still it looks like it needs to go down more. So I'm gonna go back to, without selected, go back to this and shift it away from that, right? No, it needs to go a little that way. Okay. Hooray. Okay. I think that's about, I think we've about done it. So that's it. This takes a little bit of practice, honestly. And depending on your situation, it could take a little bit of time. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe if you like.
I didn't know we were in the